80-Day Obsession, Week 6. What was the Fixate recipe you tried for Refeed Day?
I made the double chocolate chip cookies from Fixate and they were amazing.
My family loved them so much, I got 2 and they got the rest.
Chocolate caramel apple nachos, and they were delicious.
The whole point of a Refeed Day, we're restoring the glycogen in your muscles, the sugar in your muscles. Enjoy that you get to have little treats today. I know we're going to.
I had brownies for breakfast. Who says you can't?
The chickpea brownies, delicious food that's healthy for me.
The banana oatmeal cookies, best part was they were so easy to make.
The pumpkin whoopie pies, they were super yummy, delicious.
Peanut butter chocolate balls, my kids love them, my husband devoured them.
Doesn't that look restaurant quality? Glazed donut holes.
And I even left my husband some. All of these Refeed recipes are a part of 80-Day Obsession, and they're all available on Fixate on Beachbody On Demand.